Yo, everybody! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, chat. Let me know if you can hear me. Just want to check first yung audio natin before I start speaking. Happy New Year, guys. How are you? It's been a while. Miss you guys. But yeah, let me know if you can hear me, and then I'll read your chat later on kasi medyo late na tayo sa stream. I need to do my pre-market today, and I haven't done the pre-market today, so so far, chat, what do we have here? This market is looking bullish just based on this intraday price action right now, but we'll see what's gonna happen, you know. Nagkaroon tayo ng 4-hour bearish for value gap, but on the daily, nag-flip na tayo. Alright? Nag-flip na tayo sa downside on this closure, but we'll see what's gonna happen. So far, intraday's price action is currently looking bullish. ES looking bullish. We have this previous day high. Then we have daily fair value gap to the upside. So, meron tayong huge gap. And I think the reason why we're seeing a bullish price action right now is probably because of what happened over the weekend. Trump just B-O-M-B. Hindi natin pwede sabihin yung salitang yon because YouTube might ban us. So, but yeah, they captured Maduro, chat. They captured Maduro and they will get all their oil, and somehow that is bullish for the US because they just got richer because of that oil. Yeah, chat. Let's see what's gonna happen today. I-play ko lang to. All right. So, tinitingnan ko right now is this liquidity up here. We have this inefficiency on the Nasdaq and we have this double top. No? Ang dami nating liquidity pool up here. So, resting liquidity here, generated liquidity pools, and I think possible the market will trade up here before tayo mag-trade lower further. So far, nasa ano tayo, no? Nasa previous day high and low. And as you can see, nag-change din ako ng color ng chart. Or ng candlestick. Chart is still the same. Possible din tayong mag-consolidate lang dito, but yeah, I don't think we have a news today. Ano ba tayong news sa Forex Factory? Oh yeah, we actually have 10 o'clock news. I will probably wait, no chat. I will probably wait sa 10 o'clock news. If you look at the YM, we have this daily imbalance low na draw on liquidity on the YM. Opening gap or daily for value gap low. So we have this FVG, daily FVG. It looks like it's gonna trade up here, especially after we tap into this 4-hour FVG. Yeah, it looks cleaner right now on the YM side. Nag-take out tayo ng liquidity, right, on this 4-hour, and then what happened was it started to pump higher. If I wasn't around, maybe I would have taken this pre-market, or if I was around, maybe I would have taken it. But nag-take tayo ng liquidity pool downside into a 4-hour FVG. So if you want to get into this, I would say you have to wait for retracement at least of 50%. Or if you want to be precise or have a better RR, I would say it's good as well to wait for OTE dito kay YM. I think this is also a good play. Sakto rin sa fib extension on this daily FVG high. So OTE is a good spot, especially we have this breaker down here, right? Itong bearish OB. Actually, wait. Ba't ganun? Nalito tuloy ako sa candlestick kasi this is green candle, so this is a bearish order block. Yeah. So bullish breaker na to. This is a good spot to be buying in my opinion. Pwede tayo mag-trade one more into this to take another low. Pero I think it's a good bet as well na mag-anticipate ng OTE na lang instead of waiting for another swipe lower. But yeah, right now YM is looking bullish, chat. Looking bullish si YM. I'll wait for market open. Perhaps I will even wait ng I will even wait ng 10 o'clock today just because it's Monday. Don't want to rush it, especially on an NFP week. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting how the market is going to trade, especially on oil. So market open at on oil, like where's the oil? Hindi ako nagtitrade ng oil, but I'll have it just in case. Oil CL crude oil futures. Yep. So we have crude oil futures. Let's see. Lagay natin si oil kasi si oil ang hot topic right now dahil sa nangyari over the weekend, and you can see it's very volatile right now. Yeah, oil is looking bullish at the moment. After ng dump, straight up ang oil. So, para di kayo malito, you know, blue candle is green, up candle. Ang white ko is gonna be the down close candle. So yeah, right now, this is just looking very bullish, chat. This is looking very bullish on ES and across indices, actually. Across indices, it's looking very bullish. I would wait for 10 o'clock, I think. So who's here in the building? We have pop out chat. We have Ice Too Big, what's up? Roddy G, Aquaculture, 𝙿𝙞𝙨𝙘𝙀, Mr. Relax, RC Humang, Ego Mana, Pinoy Foodie, let's go, and BYD, Doodle Capital. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. I think may nabasa kanina, someone said he's from Korea. But nawala. I feel like meron ako nabasa. Happy New Year, boss. Si Mr. Relax. Si Mr. Relax, sabi niya, Happy New Year from Korea. Watching from UK, Gats. Let's go. First stream of the year. Good luck, man. Thank you, guys, and appreciate that. Good luck to everybody. Good luck. I'm trading my 20 PA accounts, chat. Right now, they're not in a very good condition. It's still in trailing level. So yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen. So far, I'd like to stay bullish on this market, but I have to wait for information when the market opens and see what's gonna happen, you know, because this can just F around and go to the downside. I'm just going to mark the previous regular trading hour session because that is going to be crucial. Opening, open, close. Opening up low. Medyo nalilito ako, chat. I'm getting confused with the color of my candle. I changed them, so it's gonna be, it will take a while to get some adjustment, but yeah, we have a huge gap to the downside, but I feel like it's not gonna go down. I just realized hindi nagsisit well yung blue candle with the Asian session. I need to change this Asian session. Oh my God, I realized I have to adjust too much. Chat. Ay, hindi nyo pala nakikita yung ano ko. Ang pangit ng ano ko, hindi nagra-rhyme. Hindi nagra-rhyme yung color coding, chat. I might have to go back to green and red for now.
Just for me. No.
Hindi nagra-rhyme yung colors ng aking mga indicators. I have to go back to red. Gawin natin pink. Let's go to pink, you know. Pink as a Down close candle. Yeah, let's do this. Yep, something like this, yan. So yeah, I would go for something like this. Apply to all. I have to change for the meantime, chat, kasi hindi pala nagra-rhyme yung mga indicator ko with the color. Trading from New York. New York ko ba? Happy New Year, Biff Kare-Kare. Si Guy Crypto to Lods. Happy New Year. Ah, yeah, I remember your profile picture. Happy New Year, guys. Lots of, you know, I hope you guys had a nice Christmas, have a nice vacation. I hope you enjoyed the holiday time off, because I did enjoy it, chat. I did enjoy the holiday time off today. This time around, it was pretty fun, pretty fire. I hope you had the same experience, or better yet, a better experience. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Let's make it happen. So, like I said, this market is bullish right now. I'm just waiting for some kind of retracement, possibly. Isa lang, kailangan lang keep in mind na we have this liquidity pool on the downside, this equal lows, but I feel like it's not gonna go down anymore kasi we've already manipulated on the YM. Feel like NQ and ES can just go higher, but I don't know, we'll see. We have a lot to work with, chat. We got a lot to work with. We got this bearish order block, and we have this breaker as well up here. 3 minutes, market is gonna open. Idol, tanong lang po, anong midnight time sa New York here sa Pilipinas? PH time right now is 1 p.m. I believe. It's gonna be New York. Yeah, 1 p.m. 1 p.m. sa Pilipinas ang New York midnight open. May tanong ako, Lods. 4 hours VA, goods na ba? Parang may talpak ako sa trading. Oh, goods na goods yan. Do it. If you can get a VA job at $4 an hour, go do it. And, you know, use that money to have some money for your trading. Good evening. Gamitin yung code drone, activation ng PA. There's no need to use a code when activating PA. And by the way, speaking of the sale, I need to change the banner because right now, chat, it's 90% off. You have 2 days left to get the 90% off, chat. Or 17, yeah, 2 days. 90% off, chat. Use the code drone for the best discounts. Let me just change this. It's not 90% right now. It's 80. Or it's not 80%. It's 90% off. Sorry. At least, you know, when the market open, ang minimum expectation ko is hopefully we get a retrace kahit sa 75% level lang. 75% level retracement is gonna be good enough for me. Market right now is pumping 20 points. It's going crazy right now. Going crazy. Market is pumping, chat. I feel like this is one of the days now you can just, you know, buy and close your eyes at the market open. Is that the plan today, chat? Buy and close your eyes at market open? Market is open, chat. Market is open. Good luck to everyone. Market is open, chat. Good luck sa inyo, chat. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. Market is pumping, chat. Market is pumping. Market is pumping to the upside. Tawag dito. Let me just fix this headset. Nalulubat ako. Where is the 𝑘𝑠𝑖? I want to see the 𝑘𝑠𝑖. Wow, what a big gap. Big gap right now, chat. Big gap. Yan, ang dami kong... Too much 930 FPG. All right, we're retracing. Like I said, I want to see at least a minimum, you know, a move to here sa quadrant area. Quadrant area, and we'll see what's gonna happen from here. All right, we're tracing sa 15 minutes time frame. Wanna see how we react from here. I feel like this could be a basic potential. Let's see. Kailangan kong maging mindful nitong 4-hour bearish gap, but so far I still like the longs. Look at the YM, chat. I told you the YM is gonna rip. Oh my god, that is insane on the YM. Look what YM did, chat. That is insane. Not gonna lie, that was an insane movement. This might be the pullback that is gonna work. Gonna try and buy this or possible base it once we take out this low. Maybe we soup it. Why is it like this? Bakit na-disconnect ang trading view ko? That's kinda annoying. My trading view is getting disconnected, chat. Mag-chop muna siguro to for ISM. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I'm just gonna go and take a base hit down here. Just putting my stop below this low. Uy! Di pa binigay ang feel. Let's go. Give me that 10 points and I'll be a good boy. Give me that 10 points, baby. Oh no, I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble, chat. There you go. 400 bucks. Up ako ngayon ng 413 times 20. It's gonna be, I'm up 8K right now. Up 8,000 bucks right now. Just gonna wait for another trade. It was a basic trade. Just, you know, taking a basic. Nakashot mo na yung 40K payout mo, Lods. It's sitting pretty well, chat. That I can say. It's sitting pretty well. It's in a good hand, so don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, chat. Alright, let's see what's gonna happen here. I'm of the idea now I still like the bullish side, but let's see. It's about to flip. It's about to flip. So the YM is still bullish, and we all know if the YM is bullish, Nasdaq is not gonna do well. YM has a nice price action, to be honest, chat. If I was only around, maybe I would have taken this trade. But yeah, YM is just going crazy to the upside, which is why nakikita natin tong dump right now on this level, on NQ. We're dumping from a 4-hour gap on NQ, and we might even feel yung 50%. Pero honestly, like I said, I don't want to see it go back to 50%. If we're gonna be bullish, ideally we are gonna trade from here higher. Yun yung gusto kong makita, chat. I want to see us trade higher from this level. Problem dito is YM is where the strength is. We need to see YM to consolidate. Ilang risk dyan per trade? Roughly around 400 to 500 as well. Just 10 points. 10-point risk. Nothing crazy, chat. 10-point risk only. Just waiting. Be patient. 15 minutes still bullish. We have a bearish SMT at the moment. ES just made a new high. YM is still going higher. So I need to be careful. Maganda yung structure ni YM, especially on 4-hour. That was a beautiful trade, chat, on YM. I wish I was around to see this, to witness it. Right now, it's just consolidating, so there might be further choppiness na mangyayari. I'm gonna buy at 70 if we get it. I'm gonna put my stop at 60. I was hoping to get filled at 30 seconds at BG, but it already happened, I guess. Alright, same trade. And I'm gonna be done on this account. $800 day. Right? $800 day per account, 16K. There you go, chat. I'm done. I am done! I am done, chat! What else is there to do? I'm up! 817 times 6 times 20. That's 16K, boys. I'm done. I'm done, chat! Let's go. Let's go, chat. Iti-trade ko na lang yung live account ko, but W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Basic pays. Basic pays, chat. W's in the chat. Diba? Hula-hula lang, chat. Hula-hula lang. Hula-hula lang, chat. Hula-hula moves. Let's go. We're done, boys. Yeah, I'm done. Pero I'm gonna be trading my live account. Not gonna touch my Apex account anymore. Just trying to be disciplined, chat, and try to take as less trade as possible. I was lucky to be able to get those scalp longs, despite the YM going down. So pretty happy with that. So again, this is just a paper money, of course. It's not real until you get a payout. Medyo risky. Yeah, I mean, I was trading the lower time frame, chat. The first entry was based on the idea that we will push higher. So let me just give you guys an idea why I took those trade. I was bullish, and I like to be buying when the market is selling off against me. So we have this 15 minutes of VG, diba? So I was anticipating we put another low. So I'm just buying below this low, and my stop is below this swing low. So we have this buy here, right here, then 10 points. Then we got this as a invalidation of structure. And then nakita ko, we rejected here on this 15 minutes of VG again. The same discount level, 15 minutes. Then I saw this rejection. I basically entered here at this sweep of this liquidity, chat. I entered into this level, 70 area, in this 30 seconds at VG. So it was a scalp movement. So we're seeing another push. Let's see if this is gonna work or not. But I do not want to see price go into 50%. I want to see it stay bullish. So to me, the way I see it is this level is a good level to be buying. That's why I was buying this down movement. We still have this 15 minutes FVG, and I think this is gonna hold, chat. I actually wanna like trade my live account on this area. I wanna, because it's still a good structure in my opinion. I just can't, hold trades on my Apex kasi trailing in drawdown. But if you're gonna ask me, like, this is a good level to be buying. Not gonna lie. Why I can change this? Ba't di ko mapalitan yung amount of contracts I can trade? Settings. Symbol. One-click trading. Yep, there you go. I'm happy. Ay, what the F? Yeah, I accidentally bought 2 contracts at that level, but ideally I will be, entering here. Ideally my entry is gonna be like down here. Was too late, but how much risk is this? 2 micros. So this is gonna be a $200 risk. Yeah. Ideally, chat, I would be buying here, not above here. But I'm just gonna hold it. It's a valid trade. Ideally, stop is gonna be below here. But yeah, let's just see and, wait what the market has to offer. Ideally, we want to see this start pulling back or retreat, consolidating. This was not a good level to be buying in my opinion. At least it should have been down here so I can put my stop down here. Pero hindi kasi naka-open yung one-click trading ko earlier. Just like that, what the fuck? Yeah. Sometimes you get lucky in life, chat. Sometimes you get lucky in life. Let's go. We're done, boy. Let's go. We're done, boys.
Let's go! We're done, boys!
Okay, it's going in my favor right now. So far, I'm up $100 on this live account. I still like bullish. Once we break this high, I'm gonna put my stop to break even. No point of losing. I just wish I was like able to enter down here like 20 points lower, because that is gonna be the ideal situation. Oh. Good evening. What's my strat? I use ICT concept, chat. I use ICT concept. GC earlier, I was watching this 1 hour level on the GC. I was thinking of buying here, not here, and put my stop here. So far, it's working well. GC, man, GC. This is gonna be a crucial level for NQ. We need to start like pushing higher from here, because we're in this last line of defense of bullish or bearish FVG. If we start to reject here, I think we're gonna sell off pretty hard. We might come down to Asia and London session low, or even the midnight open, right? This is a crucial level for Nasdaq. We should start to see bullish movement here and a disregard for bearish inefficiency or OB. Like, let's say for instance, you want to see this get disrespected and want to see a continuation push higher, especially you have news at 10 o'clock, chat. We want to be far away from entry before the 10 o'clock news hit. So for instance, right, let's say at 10 o'clock, the price is just consolidating between my entry. That's a sign for me, hey, you might wanna, you might wanna close the trade early now kasi malapit na yung news. You don't wanna subject yourself with that risk, But yeah, so far no 930 FBG form yet. So this is still permissible, chat. Wicks are doing the damage right now. Body closure will tell us if there is a change in the trend. But right now, I wouldn't say we have this bearish. We have CISD, we have a change in the state in the 5 minutes, pero the overall trend is bullish. I don't want to fight the trend. There's an old saying, the trend is your friend, chat. Are you able to be profitable using 1 minute silver bullet? Yeah, I would say so, yes. It's just 2022 model that is executed on 10 o'clock. All right, this is unfortunate. Looks like I'm gonna get stopped maybe, but we'll see. Just gonna hold into this risk. The problem I have right now is, chat, we have this like 15 minutes on the downside. We're not on the discount level on ES. So if ES starts to push lower, I'm likely gonna get stopped, especially this YM is very strength. Like YM has the strength right now. That's why itong NQ, it's having a hard time going higher because of the strength that is happening on this ES or on this YM. Sobrang lakas ni YM, that is why NQ is having a hard time going higher. And like I said, if you're bullish, you want to see like bearish inefficiencies to get disrespected. That's not happening so far. Ideally, the most ideal situation is I will have my stop here, but I got a poor feel, so I have to adjust. CISD po ba, Chalk ay same lang po ba? Sorry po, bago lang. I wouldn't say CISD and Chalk is the same. For me, Chalk requires a structure, and CISD doesn't need to have a structure, right? For example, dito, I wouldn't say na meron tayong bearish Chalk, but Kasi wala tayong swing na pwedeng mag-reference tayo ng shift in market structure. Magkakaroon ng chalk if we break here, close here. That is a shift in market structure. Kasi walang swing point from this left side. Pero may CISD dito. We have a CISD here, right? Itong multiple down close candle, bearish. For me, this is a CISD. If you want to be more precise, you can use this. This is a CISD. Pero ang shift in market structure or chalk is gonna be on this level if nag-break tayo on this downside. Ang pinaka-swing point dito sa left ng market is gonna be on this level. Ito yung swing, right? Si ICT, he would argue na this is a shift in market structure. To me, I wouldn't call this shift kasi nag-reject yung price. He said you don't need a closure or you don't need a body close para magkaroon ng shift. Sabi niya kahit na wick lang siya, but I personally do not agree with that because for me, wicks are rejection. They're not true. Yeah, I just think na for you to have a shift in market structure, it needs to close below. For instance, right, here, meron tayong shift in market structure on 1 minute. This is a shift. Pero if you want to be more conservative, you would use this. Kasi ito yung like last na super strength or super bullish action before the down close. Pero yeah, if you look at the 5, there's no shift. On 1, yeah, you can find a shift on 1, but not on 5. Hi bro, when are you gonna start mentoring? I'm gonna start mentoring like individuals with zero knowledge this coming Saturday, but it will likely gonna be 3 to 4 session only. I'm planning to have a Discord subscription soon, chat. I'm planning to live trade with you guys or with the Discord member, whoever is gonna join soon. This coming February, it's gonna be a private. Yeah, so I'm telling you guys right now, di ko pa dat sasabihin to, but yeah, I'm planning to have a Discord subscription live stream specific na kung saan I will trade live and talk to the thought process why I'm taking the trade basically, and I'll be doing it even in the PM session as well because I'm trading PM session and I don't live during PM, and I will do that during PM session. So there will be days as well na I won't be live streaming on YouTube. More likely, once I have Discord subscription, I'm gonna just live trade on YouTube like maybe twice a week. How long I've been trading? 4 years, I would say. 4 years. We need to really start breaking higher now, chat. We can't just be consolidating here. I wouldn't like if we just consolidate here. I wouldn't like the PA. How much po? The price is more likely going to be between 20 to 30 USD per month. Kala ko nagpalit ka na ng chart color. I did, chat, but I have an issue. Hindi ko makita yung mga session ko. Hindi ko na-anticipate na mag-iiba yung itsura. Yeah, kailangan i-align ko yung candlestick color ko with the indicators I have. Kasi hindi siya bagay. I did try it. Like, if I put this, like, let's say, yeah, so kita nyo, hindi ko nakikita masyado. Hindi siya visible. We got the first 930 FVG, which is nice. Just gonna put my stop here. If I'm gonna add in here, what would that look like? Oh my god. No, don't you dare, my friend. Don't you dare. I'm gonna add one more contract if we trade below here. That's a news, no? News is the issue here. I'm happy to add one more. We have the first 930 FVG. Maganda po. Ano pong maganda? Risk management sa $100 a month? You don't trade $100 account. It's not worth it. You trade with a prop firm. There's no reason to trade $100 account. Like, just not a good way to trade. Regarding sa SL, paano mo nakakalculate na mabilis ang position mo? It's just math, chat. It's just math. Sanay na ako. I've been trading for a while. I know the calculation already. So, kakalculate ko lang kung ilang points yung movement and then I'll do the math in my head. Then, yeah, that's how I do it. If you want to do it, other way pwede mong gawin is put a risk to reward tool and then create limit order. Tapos, lagay mo one contract and it will automatically calculate the lots or the risk you have. Ganun ko siya ginagawa, chat. So, we're gonna close on this 4-hour candle. Not very good kasi we have this bearish 4-hour candle. It's still possible that we move down all the way down here. This might be the top of the market, but yeah, if this is not going to work within the next 15 minutes, I would say it's not gonna be good. But yeah, I'm gonna add one more here. Placing one more contract there because I think it's still a valid trade. I'm risking $300 on this. $300 on this movement or on this. So let's see. The only thing we have to be mindful of is the news. I need to get ready as well kasi baka hindi close ng market. Minsan yung trading view nagloloko. Oh no, that's not a good closure at the 9:30. That's not a good closure. That's very aggressive close. Very aggressive close, chat. Might lose $300 here on my live. $10 p.m. Yes, high impact news. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, chat. You know what to do. Thank you for being here. We have like 73 people. Oh my god. We're doing it, chat. We're doing it. Not good closure on 1 minute, but it's still valid on 15 though. Still valid on 15. I'm just gonna watch the 15 minutes. Minsan di gagana yung stop loss ng trading view. I'm just gonna get ready because news is gonna get released at 10 o'clock. Waiting for mentorship. Yeah, all right. I'm gonna do one on February, but it's a live streaming mentorship. Trade live with me daily, chat, and yeah, basically share ko lahat ng process ko, thoughts across all markets every day. Nagmamatter po ba size ng FVG, mapa-higher time frame or lower time frame? Yeah, it does. It does matter. It does matter. The bigger the FVG is, the larger the inefficiency, basically. All right, let's hopefully have this 10 o'clock news to push higher. Want to see this start pushing higher and YM to start consolidating. Let's see. One more minute, chat. 30 seconds. 30 seconds, chat. Sa Apex Trader, pag di mo napasa ng ilang buwan, fail ka na. No, there's no time limit with Apex. But the thing is, you don't want to take too long with Apex evaluation kasi yung monthly subscription, you're gonna pay monthly fee with Apex. So you don't want to be like trading the eval for months. You want to at least do it like within that month. For me, I'm only trading Apex eval for like 1 to 2 days max. Tapos kinakancel ko yung subscription if it is expensive and just buy new ones, right? Right now, there's 90% off. It's cheaper to buy new accounts. Oh, wow. Wow. This is getting crazy. Very volatile right now. Mas mabilis ang price action sa Tradevate. We're seeing this big volatility right now. Want to see this keep pushing higher. I'm entering based on the idea of this 15 minutes FVG, right? And once we start to trade up to this level, I'm gonna start managing my stop. Gonna start moving my stop loss. Pag nag-break tayo on this high, there's no reason for me to lose on this trade. It's gonna be like how many points? Like from this point on, let's say this is already 1:1.3. So this is gonna be $500 already. ICT po ba gamit nyo? Yes, I use ICT concept, chat. Oh no, we're in trouble. It's going down. It's going down. Magkano activation fees sa Apex pag napasa? It depends on the account size. Right now, 50K is $65. You have to pass it though within the next 2 days. After that, I'm not sure how much the price is, but usually it's around 80 to 120. I think we won't have any $65 activation fee after this one. Max loss ko on my live account is $500, chat. If I took a loss of 500, I will stop trading. It's a live account. I started this account 50K. By the way, I started to trade a live account 50K this year, 50K USD. 2.5 M. A lot of things, chat. A lot of things happening in my life. I have one more news. I'm gonna tell you without any context. Okay? Meron akong vlog that I will soon release, but I'm gonna give you a hint, chat, without any context. Magbibigay lang ako ng photo. Gonna give you guys a photo. I'm gonna give a photo, chat, without any context. Gonna release this vlog maybe. Ito na, chat. Are you ready? Nag-enroll ba kayo sa ICT mentorship or self-learning? Self-learning. Self-learning, chat. I am self-learning. Meron kayong guide paano mag-copy trade sa trade debate? Yes, I do have. I do have a full futures playlist. You can just check that out in my YouTube channel. We're going higher. 15 minutes is working really well, chat. Pump, pop it up. Yep, that's right. Keep it up. Chat, eto na. Are you ready? Are you ready, chat? No contacts. No contacts, chat. No contacts. But yeah. I'm gonna release a vlog soon. Check that out. We're going up, up, up. Oh, and now, yeah. Do 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 do. Oh, what? Oh wow, we're pushing. Yeah, $600. Yep. God Candle trading while driving? I don't know. No context, chat. Just like I said, just wait for the blog. Do you guys think we're gonna go up to this level? I think it's possible, you know. I think this is a good level to take profit, this equal highs. I think we can possibly go up here. It's a good structure, chat. Good structure right now. I'd like to believe now we won't go back into this Asia and London and midnight open and just gonna start to pump higher. Solid do yung gold. Iniisip ko kanina to talaga, chat. I swear to God. Like, kanina iniisip ko, should I just long here and target all-time high? I think we can, like, do it. But, you know, I'm not around, so I'm just looking at it pre-market. Oh, wow. Nice 1 hour candle, chat. I just noticed now we have this 1 hour FVG as well. So that was nice. Just gonna hold into this. 15, like I said, intraday wise, we're very bullish on this market. It's just that we had a down movement earlier dahil na rin sa YM being the stronger asset, but I feel like we can go up to this level. This is a liquidity pool, right, chat? Wait, what the fuck? Decline. What the fuck are you doing, man? I think we could go up here. But we need to start moving from here on. Kasi we have this bearish 4 hour FVG. We should not be staying longer here anymore. Pero yeah, so far 15 minutes is working pretty well. You should give ICT kill zone and pivot indicator. I do have ICT kill zone. These are ICT kill zone. Pivot indicator, I don't like them. Ano, broker mo sa live account? I use IBKR, chat. IBKR. We could trade one more time on ES. Take the 930 low and push higher. I think that is a possibility right now. ES, trade the 930 low. Then we would push higher. $930 low on ES, chat. Watching the ES right now. You can see this, right? Meron tayong 15 minutes FVG, and below this 15 minutes FVG is gonna be a 930 low equal double bottom. I think we trade here, then we will go up from here. I could take a scalp here. Lagay ako limit order for 1:1. If we trade below here, I think we're gonna start pushing higher on ES. I think it's an A+, I would say. A+ on this ES. So I'm gonna give this a shot and trade 1 mini. Or should I do 2? Sige na. Raise on $500 on this trade. 32, it's gonna be 27. Yep, something like this. If we get something like this, I'll be... Pero hindi ko alam if I should take more trades. I'm getting tempted. May community ba kayo? Pwede bang pasali? Yes, we have moderator here. Mod, can you send it if you're here? I have a Discord, and soon I will be creating a private Discord chat. Soon, private Discord. So the live stream is no longer going to be very much a thing. Like, yung live stream ko is just gonna be twice a week, possibly. Or kung magla-live stream ako 5 times, kung magla-live stream pa ako ng 5 times a day, it's not going to be like AM session. Pero yeah, in my Discord na community na gagawin ko soon, I'm gonna live stream during PM session as well. Then give my insight during London and etc. But it's not going to be free. Obviously, there's gonna be a payment. Private. Pero may public pa din naman, just not live trading. It's pushing right now, chat. It's pushing. I want to see 25822 level. 25822 level today. 25822. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. One of those days na you should just focus on a higher time frame. May plano ka bang gumawa ng activity games para sa community sa Discord? I don't know. It's not on my mind right now. My focus is just bringing value, right? Ang gusto ng mga tao is just someone to guide them how to trade properly. And I think that's the most importance I should focus on. No, wala akong balak mag-ganon. Wala akong balak mag-ganon so far. I just wanna provide education as much as I can. Why Apex? 20 accounts. That's an easy answer. 20 accounts. Apex. Oh wait, why is my 90% off with Apex right now, chat? On Friday, I will live stream on Friday. 20 na yung accounts ko, right? 20 na yung accounts ko right now with Apex. But I'm gonna buy more. Siguro 5 or 4. Just so guys, I can show you how to pass a prop firm. Trying news trading. So magti-trade ako ng news on Friday. I will live stream it. So right now it's 90% off. You can use my code. Gold is crazy right now. Yeah, I agree. It's crazy right now. Honestly, chat, if maybe I was just around at 8:30, I would have possibly taken this. It's good intraday, to be honest. We touched down to midnight open. You want to be buying below this. So we got a breaker as well. Here. Yeah, it's actually a good PA. Good PA and gold. I've been watching gold kasi marami rin nagre-request. I've been trading it a lot more. What about the oil? I feel like oil should pump, right? Yeah, I don't know about the oil, but not doing well right now. ICT alone made you funded? It's myself, chat. It's myself. No, but I use ICT concept, pero I'm not a cultist. I'm not a cultist, chat. Hindi ako ICT is the holy grail. It's just ICT works for me because it makes sense to me. Right? I think what's really made me this consistent is myself and my risk management, not ICT. Because yeah, if you would ask me what strategy, you can give me any strategy. I'll find a way to make it work, chat. I guarantee it. If you will ask me to trade support, resistance, EMA, cross moving average, I'll try to find a way to make it work. I will journal it, I will backtest it, I will find a way to make it work. Siguro if I wasn't trading ICT, I think I would go for footprint chart, volume profile, and VWAP. Yun yung tatlo kong ifo-focus. Footprint chart, volume profile, VWAP. I think the issue with those is paid sila. Alam ko paid ang mga ganong indicator. Hindi ko lang sure paano ma-access yung mga yon, but they're the most common in the industry. And I think they work. Open ka lang ba nagtitrade? How about Asia and London? I do trade like overnight. It depends. It depends, chat. Higher time frame, I would trade Asia and London, but not on my Apex account. I'm not going to be trading Apex account knowing that it has a trailing drawdown. But on my like CFD live, yeah, I would. Magkano PA account mapasya sa 50k? It's gonna be 65 PA activation fee. But I would guess they would increase it like to 80. Trading is fun if you win. Yeah, it's all fun and games until you lose money. It's all fun and games until you lose money, chat. I'm up $300 right now. I would like to take profit here, but I would manage the risk once we break above this high. I would move my stop. Up on $300 right now. Currently 1:1. But yeah, well, one thing I said to myself this year, chat, is I'm not going to trade my PNL. I'm going to trade the price action, chat. Okay, I'm not going to trade PNL. I'm not going to base my decision based on the PNL. I'm going to base my decision based on the price action that is happening. Isa yun sa mga New Year's resolution ko, right? I know I'm gonna break it at some point, but you know what? At least I'm gonna do my best not to focus on PNL. I've been saying this a lot to you guys since last year, right? The market does not care about your PNL. Market cares about what's happening on the price. Wala nang ibang payment option with Apex. Credit card, GCash. I don't know. I just use my Wise and my credit card, chat. Always use credit card when buying prop firm account. Kasi when they go bust, for example, mabankrupt ang isang company, when you're buying a prop firm, you can dispute that to your credit card provider and they will give your payment back. I smell God candle. I hope so. Like at least God candle to the upside, not to the downside. You should like, we want to say this, keep pushing higher. Slow and steady, chat. Slow and steady gains. Just trading micros. You see, chat, nakikita nyo ba yung difference ng pagtitrade ko sa Apex account with my live account? On live account, I don't have a trailing drawdown. I don't have to worry about the trailing, right? Na matalo yung drawdown ko because of trailing. I'm trading on Apex PA account scalping because it has a trailing drawdown. Kailangan mag-take ka ng profit quickly. Otherwise, kapag nag-retrace yung price action sa'yo, you will lose your drawdown. So right now, I'm trying to stick with base it. This is what it means with doing base it, right? I just took 2 trades on the first 15 minutes of the market open, right? Buy long, sell, buy long, sell. Just like that. And look at those. I would have been stop out if I held through this trade. So nag-i-scalp lang ako until I'm way out of the static zone or buffer zone. Once I have enough buffer, that's the time I can go crazy. I can hold trades, I can pyramid, but yeah, it's one of my method of trading Apex. I'm gonna open a live. I open a live on IBKR. GCash card. At least GCash card ang call try mo. GCash card. If it's not working, yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, that's too bad. I think you need to get a credit card, I would say. Yung iba, Maya daw. Nung nag-aral ka patungkol sa trading, napanood nyo na ba mga Filipino traders? Kasi si Money Growers, sa content kasi nila, puro nag-uumpisa. I think Money Growers is legit. Is one of the OG. But, to be honest, chat, walang halos Filipino na legitimate mag-trade. Most Filipinos are just trading cryptos because cryptos are like get-rich-quick scheme. But it's not really a thing. It's not really good to have that mindset, and personally I think crypto price action is garbage compared to indices na time base. You can guarantee a volatility. With crypto, it's 24/7. And yeah, you'll stare at the chart 24/7. It's not good to scalp. Wala siyang centralized data, unlike, you know, unlike itong futures, you have like centralized data where the same price action is happening. Unlike with crypto, iba-ibang broker, iba-ibang price action. So yeah, I think if you wanna like make trading seriously work for you, you should stop trading crypto, especially altcoins. Bitcoin, I would understand if you want to trade it daily, but stop trading altcoin daily. It's not worth it. Just learn how to trade properly with futures or Forex. Buti na-access kayo sa IBKR, block kasi siya sa Pilipinas. I have my account since like 4 months ago, bago pa siya na-block. And hindi naman siya block ng Converge. So if you search IBKR having a Converge, it's not actually blocked. Block siya sa Globe. How old are you? I'm turning 27. Unfortunately, I'm too old, chat. Like, holy shit. I'm a failure. Wala pa akong bahay, chat. Wala pa akong bahay. I don't have kids. I'm not married. I'm 27. I'm too old. Shit. Pag naalala ko, shit, I'm 27. Fuck. Yeah, it is true, Uncle, but don't buy 350k. Walang 350k account. First and foremost, walang 350k account. It's 300k. And I wouldn't recommend you buying one if hindi mo alam ang rules, because the rules on Apex is very hard. Like trailing drawdown, it's something you really need to learn and yeah, basically adjust. Kasi trailing and drawdown, it's hard, chat. I don't recommend buying if you just finding Apex now. You need to watch all my videos about futures, how futures work before you decide to buy. And hindi ko rin recommend na bumili kang 300k. I would recommend buying 50k instead kasi it's the easier one to get past and get payout from. How much is 25k? I think it's $15. Walang activation fee pa yon. Wala pa yung activation fee. So once you pass the account, you need to pay the activation. Wag mo na. Bahala ka. Sige, kumala.
Kasi ako eh.
Sige na.
10 pa lang ako. 40 pa yung kailangan.
It's just chopping around right now, chat. Just holding this trade. If you notice, chat, I'm not even looking at 1 minute. I'm just looking at higher time frame kasi yung trade ko based on higher time frame. So, I'm just not doing anything crazy right now. Just holding it as much as I can. I want to see 25822 today. It's gonna be, well, it's gonna be a lot of movement, 100 points. Quick 30% negative PNL and how do you trade around it? Okay. Negative 30% PNL rule is sa PA lang, sa eval walang ganon, okay? So, the way it works is that ilan ang drawdown mo sa 50k? You have 2.5, right? 2.5 drawdown. So, you are not allowed to lose per trade ng 30%. 30% nito, okay? 30% nito is going to be 30% of 2.5 is going to be 750, chat. So, ibig sabihin, chat, kada trade mo sa 50k account, dapat hindi ka magkakaroon ng floating loss or negative 750. Right? So, per trade, hindi ka dapat matalo ng 750. Per trade, per trade. Isang trade Isang position, isang trade. So, bawal kang matalo ng 750. So, how do I counter this? I would just risk 250. I would risk 300. Just like that. Pag magti-trade ako, okay, I should not risk 750. If you're risking $750 on a 2-5 drawdown, that's a lot, chat. Matalo ka lang ng 3 beses, blow na yung account mo. So, I'm not risking 750 per trade. Right? Plus, kapag, kunyari, yung balance mo naging 52,500 na, mag-i-increase ito from 30 to 50%. It means ang drawdown na available mo na is gonna be 1,250 per trade. Kapag nakuha mo na yung buffer mo, magiging 50% na siya basically. So, yeah, I don't really hindi ako concerned sa 30% PNL rule. Mabibridge mo lang naman to if you're over leveraging. Let's say you're trading 3 mini, right? If you're trading 3 mini, madali mo mabridge to because 12-point move or 14-point move, you're beyond 750 already. So, over leveraging is the one that kills or the one that makes you fail this. Over leveraging is the main cause. So, simple lang, just like that. Just don't over leverage. Sa 150k account, ang drawdown mo is 5k. So, 150k account ang meron ako, right? 150k account. So, meron akong 5,000 drawdown. 30% nito is gonna be 1.5. Per trade, bawal akong matalo ng 1.5. So, what do? I risk 400 to 500 per trade. Right? Madaling ma-breach to if you're trading 5 contracts. So, stop over-leveraging and start managing the risk better. Well, chart no, this is trading view. 2 trades, $400 loss each. Nalalabag din siya, boss. Hindi siya, kasi hindi siya, tawag dito, hindi siya nalalabag. Kasi nga, per trade siya, hindi siya per trade siya, chat. Hindi siya, tawag dito, yun, alam niyo na. Hindi siya per account or per day. May trade copier ka ba? Yes, I do use trade copier from Trade-A-Bait. Okay, I'm up $500. I'm already up 100 points, chat. W's in the chat. I'm gonna probably take some off here. Especially on ES once we reach the daily FBG high. Medyo malayo-layo na rin kasi to, chat. Itong buy side na to, it's gonna be all the way up. I'm gonna take partial here ng 2 contracts. So I can guarantee a profit. Ay, but di na-execute? What the fuck? Ayan, na-execute. So, I'm up like on live. Oh my god, what's happening? Slow and steady gains, chat. Slow and steady gains. Ah, nalag out siya. Oh my god. I need to log in again. 1 second. Na-disconnect ako, chat. Holy moly. Ay, hindi ako. So, currently up na ako ng $300. Gonna trail my stop now so I could have a risk-free trade. W is in the chat. No losses so far. Hindi na ba delay sa trading view? I have market data. Meron ako market data, so hindi ako umaasa sa data ng Solid trade, chat. 80 points. Honestly, I would love to be filled here way lower, like 30 points lower earlier, kaso masyado ako late. Dito ko gustong mag-open ng long position kanina. Could have been, yeah, a lot better if dito ako nakapag-entry. That's extra $200. If 3 contracts in the enter ko down here. New Year green, yeah. How much capital mo to open IBKR? I would say at least 20k USD. Is it necessary na mag-ship sa TradingView instead na sa TradeAway once mag-start sa Apex? No. You can, if you're comfortable with analyzing chart on TradeAway, it's up to you. I just use both. I feel like TradingView is better when it comes sa pag-analyze ng chart. So yeah, chat. I think 20k is what you need. I think you can open an account IBKR 3k. Makakapag-place ka ng 1 micro. Pero pag umabot ng 2.4 yung capital mo, hindi ka na pwede mag-place ng trade. Malaki ang margin requirement. New Year, new green, yep. Okay. Paano yung market data na sinasabi ko para sa TradingView? So, sa TradingView, meron kang binibili na market data sa CME. I believe it's $8 a month. So, if you just go to home, here, dito sa home, kailangan mo rin yata bumili ng subscription, I believe. Market, more markets, entire world. Di ko lang kung pwede kang bumili dito sa app. App kasi ito eh. Dapat yata browser gamitin mo. Bali, bibilin mo CME Futures Data. It's gonna be $8 a month. Pero kailangan mo pa rin yata ng Pro subscription kung di ako nagkakamali. But yeah, I have those. The thing is, when I started trading kahit hindi pa ako profitable, chat, I think of it as an investment. It's an investment of having the correct data. Tapos I can, you know, backtest. I can journal. I can look at the market correctly. So, kahit hindi pa ako profitable, binabayaran ko na yung mga yan. Di ko alam, but your billing. I hope I'm not leaking anything. Wait, baka malik yung address ko. Billing history. Yeah, so eto. Wait. Yeah. Ayan, not sure if you can see it, pero kailangan mong bilhin ito. Kailangan mong bumili ng premium subscription first. Then you have to buy, yan, $7 a month. CME, e-mini included, monthly. CME CBOT COMEX. Hanapin mo lang yan somewhere. Pero alam ko kailangan meron kang premium subscription ng TradingView. Ako bumibili ako ng subscription ng TradingView every Black Friday, 70% off. So alam ko nasa $800 to. I'm only paying it per year ng $200. Tapos ito monthly, itong market data. She's still going, chat. Still going higher. Nice. Not going to trade my Apex anymore. Just gonna take it one day at a time. Until now, di ko malaman. But what time does NY session end? 4 p.m. Eastern time, chat. 4 p.m. Eastern time. It's not clean sa 1, no? But on 15, it's clean. When lang nag-ask sa Apex ng proof of strategy pag nagre-request ka ng payout? They don't ask. I guess if you become too profitable, at some point they will ask you. I've experienced it one time already, but after that, wala na. It's not every time. It is only one time to verify your trading strategy, but there's no specific time when they will ask you. But once you start, yeah, maybe once you start making 100K, they might do it, you know? Kapag nagpo-pull out ka na ng 40K payout, musta, green or red? I'm green right now, both live account and prop firm. Ayan. I'm up $700 or $800 per account. Chat, on Friday, I'm gonna trade live and I'm gonna show you guys how to pass an Apex eval ng news. It's not guaranteed, of course. It's a gamble, but yeah, news are one of the easiest way to pass higher account size. Anything pag may work pero gusto mag-trade indie? No? Any tips pag may work sa gabi pero gusto mag-trade? You will trade London session. Mag-trade ka ng London session. Focus on Forex. Focus on catching the high of the day during London. Honestly, chat, London on Forex is very good. So if meron kang work ng gabi, wag kang mag-trade ng gabi. Just trade during the afternoon. Mag-trade ka ng 2 p.m. Eastern Time hanggang 5 p.m. Eastern Time. London session is good. I did what I said I will do, chat. Once we break this high, actually we didn't break it. We wick above it, but nakapag-partial na ako once and I just put my stop to break even. Can hold it peacefully because I wanted 25822 level today, pero the AM session hasn't been clean, especially on 1 minute. It wasn't clean at all. I think, yeah, we had like 2 FVG since 9:30 open. Request a video on finishing an Apex eval challenge. That's actually, you will see a lot of video, like kahit sa short form lang makikita mo. What futures you recommend for passing an eval? What do you mean what futures I recommend? I do recommend with Apex. I'm partner with them. You can trade with different prop firms if you want to. Pero meron sila mga consistency rule usually. Sir, na-foresee nyo pa ba yung bullish real direction? I'm waiting sweep liquidity na build up ng whole day. You mean, ito ba? Hinahanap mo ba to? Ako kasi, I was bullish and not expecting this to be swept. Kasi I feel like that is too much of a retracement. Basically, na-retrace na yung buong araw. That's no longer a continuation. That's a reversal already. To me, this 1 hour FVG is enough for a continuation play. Right? That is enough for me na masabi na continuation play. Plus, we already did sweep, right? Kung iisipin mo, we got a shipping market structure here. Meron tayong bullish FVG here. Like, every 15 minutes, PDRA is being respected. If market maker buy model to, right? If alam nyo guys, ang MMXM, ito yung left side ng curve, ito yung right side ng curve. Dito tayo nag-reverse and we had this smart money reversal, low risk buy, and then, ano kasi yung next? Low risk buy, accumulation, and then possible dito yung silver bullet ng MMXM. Then this might be the target or this high. Kahit actually dito lang sa rejection block up here, this is a good way to take profits. Pero if you look at this market, right? 15 minutes of VG, bam, push higher. Created another what? 15 minutes of VG. Dito, right? What happened here? Nag-sweep tayo ng liquidity here. But still what? Respecting the 15 minutes FVG. And then another leg higher. So yung entry ko was just, you know, a retracement. From this low to this high, I was just entering here sa 50% or even better sa optimal trade entry. Right? I'm just following the structure of this price action. Ano, 15 minutes FVG. 15 minutes FVG, nag-sweep na tayo dito. That's why I was so confident na hindi na dapat to, gusto ko to as a, itong level na to, as a level of invalidation. Why? Kasi nag-sweep na tayo from the left side eh. Nag-sweep tayo dito from the left side. You can see here, there's no reason na i-take out pa tong liquidity na to. Saan yun? There's no reason na i-take out pa tong liquidity na to. Why? Because we already taken out yung sa left side na may inefficiency. Then what did we do? Market open, nag-push tayo and then drop down. Saan tayo nagda-drop down? 50%. Ano nangyayari sa mga wick na to? It's just doing the damage. Right? Yung mga super, yung mga taong di makapaghintay, you know, they're getting chopped out in here. I was lucky to get out of it alive na naglolong ako sa Apex account. My entries were good and I was able to get out early. Pero, yun nga, sa 15 minutes, we're just retracing sa 50% into OTE. Meron pa tayong what here? Meron tayong 15 minutes FVG. And if we look sa 1 hour, where did we trade? 1 hour inefficiency. Ayan binalikan lang natin to. Nirebalance lang natin tong 1 hour FVG. In hindsight, if I saw this early on, I might have taken the long here. Then put my stop just below this low or kaya this low. Most probably here. So, yeah. I'm just following the bullish direction. I'm not, you know, anticipating a run on this low. Kasi for me, if we run on this low, it's a reversal. And my bias going into today is bullish. Just based on intraday movement. Magkano commission sa NQ and MNQ? I think $3. $3 is the commission per trade. Top step in is in trouble. Why did you say top step in is trouble? I've been trading for 4 years, chat. 4 years. I started my prop journey like 2022, September, I believe. So it's been a while. Going 4 years now. Pero na-introduce ako sa market since 2020. I just didn't take it seriously. Nagseryoso lang talaga ako 2022 when ICT mentorship came out. I think most people, dun yung turning point nila, the 2022 mentorship. Regarding sa risk management, boss, which is better to trade, NQ or MNQ? Chat, it doesn't matter. Well, here's the thing. You have to think, right? Ilan ang risk na pwede kong it-take? Or ilan yung risk na gusto ko? Ask yourself, ilang dollar amount na risk? If you want to trade, let's say gusto mo $200, right? Or 250. Let's say $250 ang gusto mo na trade. Ibig sabihin, ang stop loss mo is going to be... wait. Let me give you guys a better example. My risk that I wanted here is gonna be 200 to 300, di ba? Ang invalidation ko is down here. I cannot place a $200 loss kung magwa 1 mini ako dito. So what did I do? I traded micro. It doesn't matter kung ano yung iti-trade mo. You have to think about how much is your risk going to be. Kapag masyadong malapad ang stop loss mo, then adjust. Trade M&Q. You don't have to trade mini. You have to think about the loss. Magkano yung afford mo na loss? If malapad ang stop loss mo, gumamit ka ng micro. Kung kaya ng mini, gumamit ka ng mini. If yung stop loss mo or invalidation mo is maliit lang siya, then go for mini because it has less commission plus it's more liquid. Mas madali yung feels ng NQ kaysa MNQ. Pwede mag-switch to NQ to MNQ from time to time. Di kasi madi-deny payout. Like, mag-trade ako base it sa NQ, then MNQ 20 point stop. Pwede isa buy. Pwede. Wala namang issue ang mag-switch ka ng MNQ to NQ as long as hindi ka nag-hedge. For example, ginagawa mo, naka-buy ka sa NQ, naka-short ka sa MNQ, bawal yon. Madi-deny, possible ma-flag yung account mo. Kasi ang futures, bawal talagang hedging. Burn 2 top step account last night dahil nag-trade ka ng silver mini. Oh my god. Silver right now is crazy, chat. This is very volatile and hard to trade. Quick movement nito, you're gonna get burned. Like right now, it moved like 8% up. This is very volatile market right now, chat. Itong silver. A lot of people making money with silver, but you can easily blow it. Like, imaginein mo to 1 mini. Tingnan natin, no, magkano to. Yeah, it's moving a lot. ...2022 ICT mentorship is turning point. Yeah, but it's not really the strategy, or it's really how you approach studying. I think yung 2022 mentorship is like, at least for me, yun yung parang nag-ano sa akin na turning point na, oh shit, I should give this a try. Yung kailangan magseryoso ako this time. Oh wow, up yung bet ko. Chat. Recently, hindi ko alam if alam niyo yung poly market, nakikita ko to kay TJR. This is not a sponsor or endorsement in any way, but I just parang ano to, parang sugal ng sugal ng mga degenerate. So here, like politics, crypto, finance, kunyari yan, Fed, pwede ka mag-bet kung sa tingin mong 50% ang basis point rate, 25%. So, ako nag-deposit akong 1K and I decided to bet on this. 1K USD. Will China invade Taiwan by the end of 2026? I've been watching a lot of documentary, chat, about this. And I feel like with all the things that going on in the world right now, I feel like there's a possibility, chat, na mangyari to this year. Tapos, if tumataas ang sentiment, nagpo-profit ka. So, I did bet $980, $989. 1K yung dineposit ko, but may transaction fee na $10. Then, yeah, up ako right now ng $39. Umangat siya. Ayan, may chart din siya, may chart. From July 24, nasa 40% chance siya. So, may chart siya. if nanalo ako, kunyari, hindi naman sa, God forbid, chat. I don't want it to happen because I know maraming tao ang maapektuhan ng livelihood. I will win like $8,000 yung payout. Pwede ko siyang i-sell right now. Kunyari, nag-change mind ako. Uy, sell mo na. Pwede. Kunyari, tumaas yung sentiment. Kunyari, bigla umaaligid-aligid ang China sa Taiwan. Tapos biglang tumaas ang chance nito. Let's say, maraming nagbabuy, umabot siya ng 30% chance. Ibig sabihin, magpa-profit ako. Para rin talaga siyang candlestick. May floating profit ako. Then I could sell it. Right now, I can sell it. This position and I would have made $39. But yeah, it's speculative. Super speculative. Like, it is gambling essentially. But yeah, ano naman siya? Wild guess. Kasi chat, isipin nyo si Maduro, no? Hinuli ng US. And US right now has so many oil. And they're busy. Sobrang busy ng USA sa Venezuela niyan. I think they would take this chance to take over Taiwan. Parang meme coin. Hindi ko sure. Kasi meme coin is based on buying and selling. Right? It's based on Ponzi scheme, ang meme coin. It's based on Ponzi. Ito, based siya sa actual event in real life. Naka-base siya sa decision. Depende kung anong anuin mo. Like politics. Ayoko sports because that is just, well, if ano kayo, magaling kayong mag-analyze ng NBA, football, kung kilala niyo yung mga player, you trust them, I guess you can, pero it's another form of gambling. But yeah, a lot here. Kunyari, crypto, by the end of January, ano yung price ng Bitcoin? Geopolitics. Ayan. Nakita niyo na ba yung Maduro out by January 21st? Then may nagbet dito one day before siya hulihan. Yun, insider trading yun. I think, sa totoo lang, anak ni Trump yun. Nagbet siya yata ng 30k USD, tapos nag-cash out siya ng 400k in one day overnight. I think insider trading lang yun. Maraming insider trading dito, mga may information. Imagine if ikaw si Trump, di ba? Alam mong huliin siya, magbet ka ng 1 million. So, maraming insider trading dito. Why did I do what I do? I just felt like it's possible, chat. Tingin ko, if magkakaroon tayo ng bear market this 2026, it would require something to that degree. Parang sabong lang sa atin. Yeah. I was just watching din mga moves in China. Bakit gusto nilang kunin Taiwan? Very possible nga. Magbagsak ako ng 500 dyan. Wag hangin. No, chat, huwag niyong gagawin. I don't recommend it. It's just degeneracy, chat. It's just degeneracy, okay? Huwag niyong gagawin. It's just a money I can afford to lose, chat. I'm just saying na speculation. Ako kasi feeling ko yung mind ko is poisoned siya by media. I've been watching a lot of documentary about it. I've been watching their moves, right? Pinapalibutan nila yung Taiwan and naglalagay sila ng mga exercise drill. Just like Russia, they said drill exercise lang, but all of a sudden bigla nilang nilusob. Yeah, I think si Baron Trump ang insider trading ng kay sa Venezuela. It's just degeneracy. I'm not even sure if I'm going to hold this, to be honest. Kasi right now, January pa eh. So I feel like it's good. It's a good bet. So pwede ko siyang isell anytime. Yung bet na to is until the end of 2026. Ito pala, to win, 7,600. Right now, $14 kapag bumili ka per share. Ayan, meron akong 7,600 shares. Yeah. Kumbaga, ano ko to, hedge ko sa crypto longs. Kasi kapag nangyari yun, chat, the market is gonna dump so hard. I can imagine like crypto going down like 40-50% in a single day kapag nangyari yun. Lalo na yung alts, they would go to 80% down. So Taiwan is very crucial in Pacific Ocean. Even the Nasdaq, possible mag-halt yung Nasdaq kapag nangyari yun. Feeling ko, pag nangyari yan, pwedeng maging down ng NQ ng 7%, 8%, ika-close nila yung market para matanggal yung panic. What are some moments in your trading that you regretted doing? That's a good question. Moments in my trading that I regretted doing is not transitioning to futures early. I wish I did trade futures early on and focus on it. I wish I did not trade crypto. I wish di ako nag-live account sa crypto. So yeah, those are my regret. Not transitioning early sa tamang market. I wish I did journal early. Isa yan sa mga regrets ko, chat. Yun yung sanang di ko ginawa. Nag-trade ng futures leverage. You can trade crypto nowadays with prop firms if you want to go that route. It's actually good rather than personal account. I think most of us came from huge losses from crypto. Yeah. You can still trade crypto now. Just trade prop firms. I think one of them is Breakout Prop Firm. It's a good prop firm actually. They pay you daily. Pero static yung one step nila, but it's very expensive. But it's worth it. Pa uminom ng tubig, chat ah. Me regretting not buying BTC. Oh man. I mean, you could buy BTC at that 2019, but do you have enough money, right? I could say na 2020, oh man, that bumili ako ng Bitcoin ng sahod ko, but sahod ko back then was 10K, 12K, so how much can I really buy? Would it change my life now? Like, you also have to think na you need a big capital to make money, like buying Bitcoin at that low. Saan po bansa na lalabas kayo this year? Hopefully I can go to US. Isa sa mga dream ko is to go to US, especially at New York Stock Exchange. Not sure if I can make that happen, but yeah, chat. Hopefully I can go to US. Nag-apply na ako ng visa. And then Japan is one. I want to go to Japan this year. Kahit hold mo lang BTC nun eh, no? Yeah. Bitcoin. Anong ayaw mo sa crypto? There's nothing I don't like about crypto. I just don't like trading leverage. Don't trade leverage on crypto. Buy spot. Don't trade futures leverage. Why would you trade futures leverage ng crypto when it's very volatile and it has a better price action compared to Forex and indices? It does not make sense. It doesn't make sense to me. Kung alam mong may mas maganda, mas clean na price action na ibang market, why would you trade crypto? Crypto, just be a bull. That's how you make money on crypto. Pag nakakita ka ng 20% drop in a single day, you buy. You don't go all in, you buy each time it dips. And then you hold it. You hold it, you hold it, you hold it. The purpose of Bitcoin is to, hedge your peso, your USD. Kasi ang mga pera natin, they are continue being devalued. When you buy crypto, you should have this long-term mindset na I'm gonna hold this for years. Once I become profitable, I'm gonna retire my parents. Let's go. I'm rooting for you, man. I wish you get what you're aiming for. It's also one of my goals to have my mom retire, but I'm not sure if there's enough money that would make her retire. Sobrang sipag kasi ng nanay ko, chat. I don't know. Imagine, Pasko, New Year, nagtrabaho siya. Literal na mismong one. Nagtrabaho ng nanay ko. Karoon tayo ng V-shape recovery. Nice. On oil. Dilaan mo yung balls ng bull run. Oh man, I really wish I could go to US. It was always a dream as a kid to go to US, especially nung nag-skate ako. Now I wanted to go to US not because of skating. I want to go to US kasi gusto ko makita ang NYSE. Futures, baby. Tas feeling ko pag nakapunta ako doon, I'll try to Ito. I'll try to put myself in here, chat. Hindi ko alam if nakita nyo na to. Maraming influencer ang merong billboard dito sa Nasdaq. This will cause, I believe, yung Nasdaq billboard. Tingnan nyo si si TJR. Alam ko si TJR, dito billboard, tsaka si Casper SMTC. Yan, chat. Yan, Nasdaq. This is the Nasdaq building. Ang cost nito is like Nasdaq billboard. Mura lang naman siya, but not gonna be pretty. Ito, chat. It's gonna be 17,500 in one day. Tapos 1 minute, $120. 15 seconds increments. So, $120 1 minute sa billboard. Kuha lang ng picture, tayo ka lang dyan sa Nasdaq. Nasdaq is my B! Nasdaq. $120 sa Nasdaq billboard. Tour kita dito, tabi lang namin White House. Really? Damn. Nag-trade ako kanina BTC. Nakasabay sana ako sa pababa. Konti na lang para matipi. Ayun, bigla na nag-reverse na SL pa ako. Damn. Sorry to hear that. At baka makakausap mo si Albert Einstein. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. If I'll go there for sure. Magpapapicture ako sa kanya. I'll try to apply for a visa this year. Nag-apply na ako actually. Pero mahirap daw eh. Parang hirap ng approval chat. Hirap ng approval ng US visa. Bro, do you know why a lot of futures prop firm restrict PH like we're limited to a few? This is because the prop firms cannot put us to live account. The Trade-of-8 does not allow Philippine resident to be put in a live account. So prop firms na focus sa live program, yung mga gusto nila ilagay sa live account, yung mga trader nila, they don't really want those from countries na hindi supported ng Trade-of-8. That's the only reason. Dahil yun nga, hindi nila malagay sa live account, they don't want people to just keep making money on SIM payout. Kasi kinukuha lang naman yung pambayad nila sa mga bumabagsak eh, right? So that's the reason why, now you know. I'm still up, chat, on this trade. I will just likely trail this. Magte-trail na lang ako sa mga low. Sige, lagay ko na sa break even. Gusto ko kasi yung gusto ko tong level na to, chat. Itong buy side liquidity up here. But I feel like I'm demanding too much from the market if ito yung target ko. It's just low grinding right now. I think market is gonna stop dito. Pero risk-free naman yung trade. I already took majority of the profits. Sana maligal sa PH Trade-of-8 kaso freaking government want to gatekeep us from investing on international market. Yeah, that's true. If meron lang if possible gumawa ng live accounts sa Trade-of-8, that would be epic kasi ma-open tayo with multiple prop firms plus mag-create ako ng live account on Trade-of-8. But because hindi siya pwede, yeah, I can only stick with IBKR right now, which is not bad kasi napo-force din ako mag-risk ng maliit. Hit the like, chat. Hit the like. That would mean a lot to me. Hit the like. I will also now go. I think I'm gonna stay for like 5 or 10 more minutes and then I will end the stream. I'll end the stream, chat. Next 5 minutes or 10. There's nothing really to do. I'm not going to trade my Apex account anymore. I'm content with the base that I got. Sir Ron, buy po ako ng 50k account gamit code nyo. Thanks. Yeah, thank you, chat. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. Using my code is not mandatory. If you're gonna buy, you might as well use mine. I do earn commission each time you use my code. Yung magandang prop firm like TFT, MFF, dito lang yung makabili ng eval. Yeah, true. They are good prop firms. But yeah, it's sad. Pero wala tayong magagawa. It is what it is. I was actually thinking like, is it worth it to migrate to different country para lang makapag-trade ng ibang prop firm? At some point, niisip ko, what if Apex banned me? Majority ng payout ko last year were from Apex. If mawawala ang Apex sa akin, let's say binan nila ako because I was making too much, then yeah, kawawa ako, chat. If I get banned on Apex, kawawa ako, wala na akong source of income. That's why I'm trading live. Diba? Kaya ako nagtitrade ng live. I made with Apex last year 170k, 175. Wala pang expense. So, may get 10 million ang nakuha ko with Apex last year. What if they decided to ban me this year? For sure, it's gonna be sad, but nothing I can do, right? Nakailang payout ka na, lumagpas ng 6 payout, dalawa pa lang. Thanks, bro. Sana lahat tayo magkaroon ng financial freedom through trading and invite more Filipinos to trade futures. Yeah, I hope so too. I hope, you know. How about funded next, Tradify? Those are good option as well. If you're Filipino, if you want to funded next, funded next, I wouldn't say they're good. Before they are good, but now pangit yung ano nila. I just don't like their programs right now. 80% yung profit split, which is a lot, huge difference. 80% profit split ang makukuha mo, unlike Apex 100%. So malaking bagay yon. Okay lang sana kung may refund yung eval once you, or yung, yeah, okay lang sana if i-refund nila yung eval. Sa Tradify, 90% and they have daily payout, so at least yun yung maganda. Bullnox, yeah, Bullnox is good, but $160 activation fee, that's too much. Siguro pwede may farm ka sa abroad. Abroad, pabilin mo eval, ikaw mag-trade, or may short term ka sa US para doon ka mag-trade nakabalik. Hindi pwede yan, paeng. If you try to trade in behalf of your family, that's fraud. Pwede kang makasuhan ng prop firm pag ginawa mo yon and they found out. Let's say you're profitable, tapos sabihin nila, interviewin ka nila. Siyempre, interviewin nila nun yung kung sino yung nakapangalan. Let's say mama mo yung ginamit mo. What would your mom say, right? Uy, ano yung strategy mo? What's your strategy? My son is the one trading. Patay ka na nun, chat. You could get sued with a prop firm doing that. Pwede ka nilang kasuhan. Futures Lucid bawal sa Pinas. Futures desk, I haven't seen. Yeah, I think we're banned, chat. We're banned. This is low price action. What the hell? What the hell is happening? Dali makapas ng ibal sa funded ng 10 na burn ko funded. Ah, damn. Sorry to hear that. Ako, naka-20 ako na funded account before I got my first payout during CFD days. But with Apex, I think it's my 12 account. Yung first payout ko was on my 12. Wait, let me check. Second account ata, nakakuha na ako ng payout with Apex. Let me check my first ever payout. Ah, yeah. With Apex, ang first payout ko was on the second account, second PA. So, nangyari was, I got my first payout sa second PA ko. Right? I got 2K. And then, July 1 to, ang next payout ko was September 15 on PA number 13. So, naka-blow ako ng 10 before I got my next payout after that.
Tami.
Ngayon, chat, how many PAs am I at? Nasa 200 na ako, 205. Pang 205 na funded account ko na to. Did you use LLC para maka-less sa tax? Walang LLC sa Pilipinas as far as I know, so I forgot top step pala pwede. How much need para makapasok sa prop firm? You can get in for as low as $80, assuming na mapasa mo yung account in one take. Yeah, walang LLC. Walang LLC sa atin. Nagbibuild kayo ng buffer before mag-withdraw or pag nag-eligible na payout, withdraw agad para magiging maliit ang gap sa drawdown and balance. Number one, that's a good question. So ako, lagi akong nagtitake ng payout every time. Kasi gusto kong mawala yung pressure na mablow ko yung account. Kasi imagine if you are eligible for a payout pero hindi mo tinitake yung withdrawal, it means you are actually risking now a real money na pwede mong withdraw. So, ako, wini-withdraw ko every time. But the thing is, with Apex, kailangan mo ng buffer. So, pag nag-withdraw ka with Apex, malaki ang buffer na kailangan mong iwan. Sa 150k account, 150k account, kailangan mo ng 1,500 ata or 600. Ang ma-withdraw mo lang dito is, ang kailangan mong iwan na buffer dito is 155,100. So, kung eligible ka sa payout sa gantong balance, pwede mo lang i-withdraw 500. So, meron kang 5-1 na drawdown na matitira. And for me, that's enough. Especially static one. One is to one lang talaga RR mo? No, no, hindi ako laging 1:1 lang, chat. Nag-1:1 ako pag trailing yung drawdown habang nagbibuild ako ng buffer. Once I got out of a buffer zone, that is the time na mag-trade ako ng more aggressively in terms of RR. And usually, you know, yung mga trade ko, tumataas yung RR because I scale into position. So, to give you guys an example, this is the stats of my live account, right? Ito yung stats ng live account ko. I've been trading this since September. Up lang ako ng 1.4. Tingnan nyo to. Ito, first day, September 25. So, anyway, ito yung win rate. 38%. Average win-loss, 1.8. So, hindi ako 1:1 lang lagi. And then, look at this month. I was down 1-2, right? Yung mga losers ko are between 200. Tapos, may time na umabot ng 700. Maybe I overtraded 3 trades. Tuloy-tuloy. But usually, 1 to 2 trades lang ako. So, I ended the month, down ako ng 1,200 on this month. Tapos, November, look at this. Like, every week, I was up. So, break even, and then I was up. Then, stop trading. Tapos, may one day, titingnan mo to, 2 trades. Naalala ko to, NQ to, tsaka YM. Itong trade na to is like 1:1, 1:5. 1:5 to, I believe. Makita mo yung RR dito. Ito ba yung RR? Ito yung long. So, nag-long ako here. Ayan, nag-long ako here. 5 contracts, micro. Stop ko here sa low. Tapos yung take profit ko was up here. So, 1:5 to, I believe. Nag-partial ako here. Then, I took full position out dito. So, ito lang yung stop ko dito. Like, 20-point stop. So, 1:5 to, if I'm not mistaken. Ewan ko ba't di lumalabas dito kung ilan yung na-risk ko. But, yeah. Yeah, I made 2K in one day. So, nabawi ko lahat ng losses. After ko mag-trade ng NQ long, nag-short ako ng YM, ng AM session. Tapos, yan. Up ako ng 2-3 on this month. Last month, down ako ng 1-2. Then, December was a red month for me. Right? Ayan, even 30 nag-trade ako, but break even. So, red month. And minus 500. So, majority ng profit ko came on this one day. Usually, chat, yung majority ng profit ko, nakukuha ko sila kapag nag-i-scale in ako. Ito yung dahilan kung bakit nag-deposit ako ng 50k dito sa account na to. Kasi, ang problema ko is 5 micros na yung max na contract na pwede kong i-trade. And even if I wanted to scale in dito sa position na to, hindi ko magagawa because yung margin requirement na kailangan para mag-open ng 1 mini is too much. Kailangan ko ng 30k at least. Tapos yun, sabi ko, January, I look at my stats. Hey, I can, mas nasisikmura ako na yung losses sa live account compared to before. Kasi before, masakit sa akin yung matalo sa live account kasi real money. But I decided, you know, after trading for a while, kahit na, kung iisipin mo, 2 months red, 2 months na red, like, I can possibly, you know, take those back by having a good RR trades. So, yeah, so far, Friday, I was up. Talo ko ng 300 una dito. Tapos, tingnan nyo to. Nabawi ko siya dito. 1:2. Itong, ano na to. trade. And yung trade ko din ngayon, almost 1:2. Magkano capital ko sa live account? 50k USD. 50k. Gusto ko lang itry hanggang saan ko siya kayang dalhin, you know. It would be amazing if I could possibly have like by the end of year 100k and may 50k ako USD. Pero sinabi ko rin sa sarili ko, if itong live account ko umabot siya ng 45k, I will likely withdraw it and not let it continue to bleed. Feeling ko, pag natalo ko ng 5k USD sa live account, I would stop trading it completely and take some time to get my confidence back sa prop firm. Mag-build ako ulit ng cushion. Tapos kapag confident na ako, I'll play more. I'll play the live account more. Pero so far, up ako ng 1.4 without the PNL today. PNL ko today is 500 so far. So magiging 1.9 na to. Pero ang risk ko per day kasi, I'm happy to lose like $500 per day. Stop na ako mag-trade after that. How much is your biggest payout? In 1 month, 46k. 46 or 45. That's my biggest so far. 150k real money po yan. Hindi 150k ito. It's 2.52k USD. 51k USD to BHP. It is 51k USD to BHP. It is 3 million pesos, chat. It's 3M. 51k USD is 3M. So, halimbawa, 50k Sir Ron, maabot mo yung 52,600, 500 lang withdraw mo, then buffer mo yung rest. Yeah, that's correct. Number 1. Son, trade QWERTY. Don't trade live account. I don't recommend it. If you're new to trading, don't trade live account. Chat, I'm gonna leave you here. Like I said, I will probably take my profit up here. Baka mag-trail na lang din ako ng stop. But so far, it's at break even, option ng 100 points. I will likely take my profit up here. I'm gonna leave you guys. So far, W today. It's been amazing. Yeah, it's been solid day for me. No losses today. Up ako ng 16k on this, and then here 300 pa lang yung realize sa live account ko. But almost 1:1.5 itong trade na to. Just focusing on higher time frame. I did not trade 1 minute too much except the open. So yeah, chat, I'm gonna end it here. Halos 3M pala capital mo. Yeah, it is. Pero kasi hindi ko naman nahayaan na chat maubos yun Pag natalo ko ng 5, pag umabot ng 45k yung balance ko, I will likely pull it out or withdraw more. Malaki lang yung capital ko because kailangan ko ng margin. Kailangan ko yung malaking margin requirement. Pero yung risk ko per trade is just ranging between $300 to $500. I'm not going beyond that. $300 to $500 per trade. So, if matalo ako ng 5k, that will be 10%. Diba? So, pag natalo ako ng 10 trade na sunod-sunod, that is 5k. Anong broker ko? IBKR. Anyway, chat, it's already like 12:30 p.m. Iwan ko na kayo. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you guys. Napakalamig ng January. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Hindi lot size ang gamit sa trade. We use mini and micro. And nakadepende yan. Nakadepende yan sa invalidation. It's not fixed lot size. Nag-a-adjust ako depende kung gaano kalayo yung stop loss ko. Anyway, chat, I'm gonna leave you guys here. Thank you so much for watching W today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Same time, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. And yeah, if you want to buy some accounts with Apex, I believe matatapos ang sale ng 1 day and 12 hours. So now is the time to grab some evals, and then hopefully we can pass some accounts on Friday NFP. So yeah, chat, I'll personally bibili ako just so I can show you guys how I trade the news, kung paano makapasa ng eval. It's not 100% guaranteed, but it's gonna be fun. Yeah, chat, thank you so much and appreciate you all. W today, and I'm gonna continue trailing this trade. Okay, thank you, chat, and I'll see you tomorrow. Sayonara.